Hey guys, welcome to the Droid Guy channel. Need help with a Wi-Fi connection but need internet access on your Windows PC? Not to worry, we've got you covered. In this video, let us go through several troubleshooting solutions to this common issue. We'll cover various troubleshooting steps, including checking your Wi-Fi settings, running the built-in Windows Network Troubleshooter, and resetting your network. But before we begin, we would appreciate it if you hit the like and subscribe button for more troubleshooting videos. The first solution is to restart the computer and then restart the modem and Wi-Fi router. Restarting your computer refreshes the IP tables and reloads configuration files, which can help resolve minor faults. Rebooting your modem and router, on the other hand, clears the router cache and can fix minor network glitches. Check for internet access after restarting the computer, modem, and router. If the issue persists, proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to check the internet connection. Look for the Wi-Fi signal on the taskbar. If the Wi-Fi connection is active, but you still cannot access the internet, there might be a problem with the internet connection. Checking the internet connection for the Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue in Windows helps determine the cause of the problem and apply the correct fix. The issue could be misconfigured settings, drivers, Wi-Fi adapter issues, DNS difficulties, or IP address problems. Third solution, run Windows Network Troubleshooter. Utilizing Windows built-in Troubleshooter helps diagnose and resolve network-related issues as it identifies and fixes problems that may be related to incorrect configurations, faulty drivers, and conflicts with the IP address. To do this, press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to open the Run box. Then, at the Run box, type the Control Panel. At the Control Panel window, ensure View by is set to large or small icons. Next, click Troubleshooting, then click Hardware and Sound, then click Network Adapter, then click Next. Select which network adapter you want to diagnose, then click Next. Windows will now detect problems. After troubleshooting is complete and it cannot identify any problem, click Close to exit. If there are problems found, follow the on-screen instructions. Check if you are now connected to the network. Fourth solution, update network adapter driver. A corrupt or outdated network adapter driver could cause network and internet-related problems. To fix this, make sure drivers are up to date. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At the Run dialog box, type devimgmt.msc and press Enter. Then at the Device Manager window, click Network Adapter to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Update Driver from the drop-down menu. Now, select Search automatically for drivers. Once the best drivers are already installed, click Close to exit. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer completely reboots, now check if you can already connect to the internet. The fifth solution is update Windows. An outdated Windows operating system may have bugs or compatibility issues that cause Wi-Fi or network-related issue on your computer. Updating your Windows OS ensures you have the latest patches and fixes for known issues, which may resolve the problem of Wi-Fi connected but no internet access issue. First, press the Windows key or Start button, then click Settings, an icon that looks like a gear. Now select Update and Security. Now, if you are on the Windows Update window, click on the Check for Updates tab. Windows will now search for updates. If an update is available, click Download and Install, and then wait for the update process to finish. Once finished, you can now restart your computer. Once the computer reboots, check to see if the issue still occurs and proceed to the next solution. The next solution, if the issue persists, is resetting the network adapter and DNS. Resetting the network adapter and DNS helps resolve connectivity issues by refreshing network settings and at the same time clearing any network misconfigurations and/or conflicts on your system, while at the same time resolving improperly configured settings. To do this, type the command prompt at the search bar, located at the lower left. Then click Run as Administrator from the drop-down menu for administrative access. Now at the command prompt window, type the following commands. Wait for each command to finish before typing in the next command. Type netwinsock reset and press Enter. Type ipconfig release and press Enter. Now type netsh in IP reset and press enter. And then type ipconfig flush DNS and press enter. Lastly, type ipconfig renew and then press enter. Now restart the computer. Once the computer reboots, check to see if the issue still occurs and proceed to the next solution. The next solution is to reinstall Network Adapter Driver. A corrupt or outdated Network Adapter Driver could cause network and internet-related problems. To fix this, reinstall the Network Adapter Driver. To do this, press Windows key plus R on your keyboard. At the Run dialog box, type dev mgm tdoc msc and press enter. Then at the Device Manager window, click Network Adapter to expand it. Right-click on the driver and then click Uninstall Device from the drop-down menu. Wait for uninstall process to complete. Next, restart the computer. Once the computer completely reboots, drivers will automatically install. Now, check if you can already connect to the internet. The last solution is to call an internet service provider. If all else fails and you are still connected to the Wi-Fi but still have no internet access, you may need to call your local service provider as the internet connection must be down, or there are problems on their end. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful. Please support us by clicking like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more troubleshooting videos.